Well, receding gums can be unattractive and lead to tooth loss, but many people avoid conventional gum grafting surgery because they believe it's just too invasive and it requires post-op downtime. After years of research, Los Angeles dentist and inventor Dr. John Chow developed an easier way to correct receding gums. Chow Pinhole Gum Rejuvenation is a minimally invasive technique that corrects receded gums through tiny pinholes made in the gums, which heal quickly.
Joining us now is Denver area dentist Dr. Deanna Snitzer, who is certified in the pinhole procedure, joins us now. We hear you on the radio all the time. We feel like we know you.
We're excited to have you on the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, why should people care about receding gums?
Well, clearly gum recession is a huge concern for many, many people. In the long list of problems that a patient may bring to their dentist, it may be surprising that gum recession is so high on people's list, but it is.
It is.
When I think of people who've had strong concerns about their gum recession, I think of my patient Janice. She's a wonderful woman. She's in her 40s. She owns a company. And when she wrote on her new patient paperwork, she was too embarrassed to smile from her gum recession.
Yeah.
It's very emotional for patients, and you want to have that big, beautiful smile and feel confident. So I was thrilled to tell Janice that the Chow Pinhole surgical technique would be perfect for her.
Yeah.
Would you mind really comparing the Chow Pinhole procedure to like the conventional kind of grafting that we're familiar with?
In conventional gum grafting, we have to take a piece of tissue off the roof of the mouth and sew it over the recessions with sutures. With the pinhole technique, we make the tiny pinhole up under the lip, and then the gums are guided down with gentle movements with a special dental instrument. After the gums are gently guided down into position, we are able to correct the recessions and give an instant, beautiful smile. The procedure is quick, it's painless.
Amazing.
And it heals beautifully. After we guide the tissue into position, we can correct many, many areas at once. That's one of the main benefits of this procedure. If you have a full mouth of gum recession, we can correct that all at once.
Wow.
After the gums are guided down into position, we place tiny collagen strips down in between the teeth and around the fronts of the teeth underneath the gums. And those collagen strips help to stabilize the gums during healing. There is no scalpels, there is no sutures, and it is instantly pleasing for the patients.
Unbelievable.
I mean, we're fascinated just looking at this animation. How did you learn about the Chow Pinhole Gum Rejuvenation, and why did you decide to offer this to your patients?
Well, I was on a quest to find the best. There are definite limitations to conventional gum grafting, and there are many patients who are resistant to that procedure. So I wanted to find a new and innovative way to treat my patients. So I did some research. I looked in all the top dental journals and I came across Dr. Chow's breakthrough study. Dr. Chow is a brilliant dentist. He did all the research and published it for the Chow Pinhole surgical technique. He also developed the instruments that we use for the procedure. So when I read that study, I knew that I had to learn. I went to the Pinhole Academy and I learned it from Dr. Chow himself. And to this date at Pinhole Academy, we've trained over 2,800 dentists in the pinhole surgical technique. And I did this procedure so much, I'm actually a certified surgical instructor. So I go to California and I help Dr. Chow teach dentists from all over the world how to help their patients. I learned this procedure from the best, and my patients have definitely benefited from it.
Wow, how gratifying that must be for you. That's incredible. Would you mind kind of walking us through, what the patient experience would be like from start to finish with the pinhole procedure?
Well, patients are usually very, very surprised and incredibly pleased that the procedure only takes about an hour, and we get fantastic results.
Look at this. This is incredible.
Yes, this is my patient. She is a lovely lady in her 40s. She obviously in her before pictures had some cosmetic concerns with her gums and her teeth. I met her, her son broke a tooth, and I fixed his tooth, and she said, "Can you make me look as good as him?" And I said, "Yeah, I can do that." This gentleman had a lot of gum recession and notches at the gum line, which are caused from over-brushing and grinding and clenching. So we were able to use the pinhole surgical technique and move the gums into proper position.
Incredible.
Yeah, and I think we have one more.
Absolutely. This woman, actually her family member is a retired dentist and wanted her to do conventional grafting, and she chose to move forward with the pinhole surgery, and we have gotten beautiful results. These are just 3 of hundreds and hundreds of cases, hundreds and hundreds of patients that I've been able to help smile bigger and feel more confident with a big, beautiful smile using the pinhole surgical technique.
Yeah. There's nothing more
thank
beautiful
you.
than a smile. Someone's so
Exactly.
confident.
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming on. Visit pinholeacademy.com to find a pinhole dentist near you, or you can call 626-308-9104.